warm welcome to all of you on the observance of World AIDS Day 2025. Today, a series of meaningful events has been organized at the Government College of Education under the dynamic leadership of Professor Dr. Seema Naz, Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges and Principal of the host college. In collaboration with J&K AIDS Control Society, we are also delighted to have students from Srinagar City Colleges participating in today's program.
Win first, second and third, for whom we have kept some prizes, and to me everybody who is participating is a winner, because to speak on a forum, to get this opportunity, to get this to develop the skill is the most important idea behind having this speech competition. So those who will win will get a cash prize, and those who will not win will also be winners, because they will get a chance to speak, a chance to interact and a chance to learn. And on a subsequent occasion, when we have any other program, whatever they could not do today, they can learn from their own peers, because we always learn from our own peers. And inshallah, everybody will be a winner. All of you are here on this cold morning, so I welcome you all. I also welcome the jury. I also am happy to have some of my teachers who are a part of this program, because getting an understanding about this day is very important for all of us as students and as teachers, because we are the most important stakeholders who have to spread this message across to the community, to the society, and with the help of this program we'll be able to achieve our objective. So we have pipelined two programs for today. One is the speech competition and another is the art competition. So some of you are here who will be participating in the speech competition, and some of you will have to move to the art lab. Are you already in the art lab? Have they gone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so some of you who are participating in the painting competition will have to move to the art lab, where Arshad Soleh, our art teacher, will help you to make some paintings. And after we are done with both these events, we will be forming a human chain, and we will have a rally, a walkathon or a rally across from this college to Polo View and back to Pratap Park and back to the college. So this is the idea, and this is the program schedule that we have planned for the day. And I wish that we are all able to listen to good people who will be speaking, and each one of us will get something to learn from this one-day awareness program. Thank you very much, and a warm welcome to each one of you.
I think 2 or 3 actually stuck to the topic today. Rest was all vague and ambiguous and arbitrary. जो भी आपको बोला गया था, तो और जो भी आपने देखा था या जो भी prepare किया था, without connecting to your topic. Then after that, I had a friend who once said that every Facebook post, if you throw in a Rumi once in a while, you become very intellectual. At least you sound intellectual. If you throw in Kashmirian in it once in a while, you don't become a Kashmiri. Make sure that what you're saying is grounded in Kashmir. You cannot be talking about everything in the world and then call it Kashmir just because you throw in a word like Rumi, you throw in Kashmir. Please don't do that. Most of the students were very good. At least they had put in some effort, some more, some less, but good effort. And we are very happy with all of you. And I will pass it over to Shahnawaz sir to announce the winners.
A very good morning to everyone. I guess this is an important issue which our world is dealing with, particularly with the drug menace, which is prevalent in Kashmir as well. So we have the rising rates of drug addiction that is constantly going to add up to the number of AIDS patients in our valley. So these programs become important, because we need to talk about these things. We need to make you aware about what is good for you and what is not. Believe me, I'm not thinking about who is going to win or lose. I'm thinking about to listen to everyone and to find out how you somehow assimilate this problem and analyze what exactly is going to be a problem for you in coming days, and it is the problem that we are facing right now. So I'll be looking up to everyone, but I would request everyone to please stick to the time. And obviously, as ma'am has spoken about many other things, you will keep all those things into consideration and give your best.
1st of December, we gather not just to mark a date on a calendar, but to honor a promise. We are here for World AIDS Day. We are here to stand in solidarity with the millions living with HIV and to remember the beautiful souls we have lost to this epidemic.
Muslim Rao from Government Degree College for Women, Navagadal. And today, on World AIDS Day, we stand together with one clear message. That is overcoming disruption, transforming the AIDS response. This theme is more than just a reminder. It's a commitment, a call for action, a call for courage.
Ashraf from semester first, representing Vishwa Bharati Women's College, Renavari, Srinagar. It is an honor to address this distinguished gathering on the observance of World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day is more than a commemoration. It's a call to conscience, reminding us that the fight against HIV/AIDS demands both scientific integrity and human compassion.
This is Suzanne Khan, the voice of Women's College, MA Road, Srinagar, from the Department of English Literature. And today, I feel extremely privileged to take this wonderful opportunity to vehemently speak on a topic that holds tremendous urgency and hope to overcome.
Student of Humanities from Abdul Ahad Azad Memorial Degree College, Bimna. आज मैं आपके सामने एक ऐसी बात बताने जा रही हूँ जिसे सुनकर पूरी दुनिया सोचने पे मजबूर हो गई है। एक ऐसी बात जिसने घरों की खामोशी बदल दी, जिसे सुनकर हम अक्सर सोचते हैं कि क्या हम वाकई तैयार हैं या बस दिखावा करते हैं। Yes, I'm talking about AIDS. But today I'm not here to repeat the old same facts. What is AIDS? इसका definition क्या है? All that. Today I'm here to shake your thinking, to show the entire world how we can transform this entire fight.
My name is Barjees Firdaus and I'm from B.Ed first semester, Government College of Education, Srinagar. And today I stand before you not just to represent my college, but to represent truth, compassion and the courage to challenge the stigma. Today, on World AIDS Day, we gather not merely to speak about a disease, but to confront the second pandemic that I was talking about, the pandemic of silence, shame and misinformation.
Nida Shakil, a proud student from Amar Singh College, Srinagar, and I'm from the Department of Sociology. And today, I'm here to speak on a topic that is often called as serious, technical, and dry. But truly, it's not a topic about the disease. It's a topic about people. It's a topic about hope, human dignity, and above all, it's a topic about change.
My name is Tawheed Shafi and I am representing Government Degree College, Eidgah. As we usually know that what the topic is about, and I think I don't need to discuss about the introduction of this particular topic. Let me go through with some of the key points. What exactly the data says about this particular topic, about this particular concern, so that we can deep dive into it and improve, so that we can protect our Kashmirian and make improvements, make better decisions and protect our Gen Zs. Okay?
Islamia College of Science and Commerce से आप सबके सामने. Today I am not here to give a polite and ready-to-speech speech. I am here to break the silence you and I have helped to create. We talk about progress, technology, development and dreams, but we never talk about the young girl thrown out of her house because she tested HIV positive.
Especially in our college, Government College of Education, we have organized a speech competition which was going in this conference hall, and an art competition which is going in art lab of our college. After completion of these two events, we have to form a chain outside auditorium, human chain, under red ribbon. After the culmination of that, we have to organize a rally which will start from Government College of Education and will culminate at Fatah Park, and we have to go via MA Road and Fatah Park.
Are you done, students?
Say no to say no to say no to yes to yes to say no to say no to say no to say yes to say yes to say no to say no to say no to louder please say no to say no to say yes to say yes to say yes to say no to say no to say no to say yes to say yes to say no to no to no to
First from which college? Congratulations.
Congratulations. You can look that side. Well done. And who is this side? One by one. थोड़ा सा आप आगे पीछे लेंगे. बहुत अच्छा. Congratulations. And then work on your content next time.
Perception varies from person to person.
If you go into question.
बहुत अच्छा. क्या कंटेंट पे काम कीजिए. Good to participate.
To get awards, but today we will announce, and we have been organizing such art competitions off and on in the school. Goes to Vanita Pathania from Government College of Education. Please come forward.
You're from which semester? B.Ed first semester? She's from Jammu. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Here, madam, yes, madam.
Congratulations.
Many congratulations.
बहुत अच्छा. Very congratulations. You can have a look at that side. चलो. Very good. Well done. Once again.
Received the participation certificate and medals from Madam Principal. First, Jamshid Ahmed Khan, Government Degree College, Irga.
तो देखो.
Government Degree College.
बहुत अच्छा.
Very good.
Very quick. Muskan Jan, Islamia College of Science and Commerce. Majid, Government Degree College, Bandina.
Have a walkathon around and create awareness.
Huzaif Rashid, Shri Pratap College, Srinagar. Huzaif Rashid. Huzaif Vishwa Bharati Degree College.
शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा. कि उन्होंने ये हमारा प्रोग्राम जो है कंडक्ट भी किया और उसकी ज्यूरी भी की. Arshad साहब जो हैं, Arshad Professor Arshad Soleh is an art teacher of this college. He's a renowned art teacher, and whenever there's a program in any of the college, he is always invited as a jury because we have a very
a person of great repute, national repute in our own college. So that is why we did not have the necessity of calling anybody else from outside, and we requested Ansha Sahab to do the conduct the program and also to be the jury for the program. And I'm sure that all of the students will be satisfied with the results that have been declared. And it's very important that you have drawn your ideas on this piece of paper, which will remain with us. And whenever we have any program, we will use your posters and exhibit them and try to create further awareness. अभी कुछ दिन बाद हम इसको बाहर भी लगाएंगे, एक वॉल भी क्रिएट करेंगे एड अवेयरनेस की, क्योंकि इतने बच्चों ने अच्छा काम किया है, ये ऐसे अननोटिस नहीं जाएगा. So thank you all for being a part, and now for the